Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's 6 a.m. here in Renfrew PA, right there, and we are headed north to Renfrew for another plow day. Headed to I forget the guy's name, but it's up toward Renfrew where all our other plow days are at. This is the second fall one I'm going to this year. I just went to Irishtown Acres and it was dry, so hopefully this rain's gonna help us out. But we got 79,000 on it right now. Might cross over 80 today, we'll see. But we'll catch you on the road. Well, we are about 30 minutes out, just outside of Bridgeville, Pennsylvania. I have my 20-foot, well, it's my dad's 20-foot tilt deck equipment trailer on the truck today, in a 430 and a 318. I've never towed this much with my truck before, meaning I haven't towed this big of a trailer. I've towed the same amount of tractors, but you can definitely tell the trailer's back there, and it's nice having the trailer brakes, but it's still a heavy trailer, and it's a lot for this truck, but I'd say it's handling it better than I thought it would. We're holding steady 65, 70, so I can't really complain. Spending most of my time in the slow lane, but as you can see right now, I could pass if I wanted to. But we have about 35 minutes left. I'll pick you guys up whenever we get there. really well for its first test before Columbus. Even though my share is a little bit bad, it's still plowing really good, and this ground's actually super soft. The rain helped it out, and being it's just an old hay field, it's really nice. But yeah, 430 is doing great. Everyone's having a good time. Nothing's broke yet. Something will break though, now that I said that. Just as I said it, we have our first breakdown. He broke the chain on the speed X. So Steve's towing him in reverse. I guess so. I guess it's a thing now, towing in reverse. It works.